Welcome to chemistry class. We are going to learn the topic periodic classification of elements, in which in the earlier class we were learning why it was required to classify the elements and who was the first person to classify the elements. If you remember, he was Toby Reiner. He was a German chemist, and in the year 1829 he observed that certain elements had similar properties and he could put them together in groups of 3 elements each. So he proposed Dobby-Reiner's law of triads, in which he suggested that when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, groups of 3 elements known as triads having similar chemical properties are obtained. And in the triad, the atomic mass of the middle element of the triad being equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. First triad he formed was alkali metal group. Second we are going to learn today, and that is the alkaline earth metal group. So what were the 3 elements that were present in the alkaline earth metal group? The 3 elements were calcium, strontium and barium. Okay, so calcium, strontium, barium. What are the symbols? These are the symbols. And what are the atomic masses? 40, 88 and 137. So these about the atomic masses. Now what were the similar chemical properties in the group that form this alkaline earth metal group triad? We'll learn about this. Okay. So the first property is that all these calcium, strontium and barium, these all 3 are metals. What are all these? These are metals. What was the second property? Second property was the oxide of all of them are alkaline in nature. What was the third property that formed this triad was all these elements have a valency of 2. This means these 3 elements are divalent. Okay. Now, so due to their similar chemical properties, the elements calcium, strontium, barium, they were put in one group, and the group is alkaline earth metal group. Fine. And this form the triad of Dobby-Reiner triad. Now we will calculate the arithmetic mean of the first and the third member of the triad. The triad here is alkaline earth metal group. And what are we going to do? We are going to find out the arithmetic mean of calcium and barium. What you will get is the actual mass of strontium. Fine. So let us do it. Let us calculate the arithmetic mean of the atomic masses of the first and third member of the triad known as the alkaline earth metal group. Calcium has the atomic mass of 40. Barium has the atomic mass of 137. When we find out the arithmetic mean, how do you do it? Arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is calculated as the average of the figures. Fine. So we will find out 40 plus 137 and divide it by 2 because you have 2 numbers of elements. So what you get is 88.5. So you can see here we got 88.5 and the atomic mass of the middle element is approximately equal to this. What was the middle element? Strontium. Atomic mass is 88. So what we got, you can see here the similarity between the arithmetic mean of the first and third member atomic mass and the second element. So this proves that, what does it prove? The atomic mass of the middle element of the Dobie-Reiner's triad is equal to the arithmetic mean of the first and the third element of the triad. Fine. So please note that calcium, strontium and barium, these are what? These are alkaline earth metals. Why are these the alkaline earth metals? Because their oxides are alkaline in nature. Alkaline means basic. Okay, so these are alkaline in nature, which existed in the earth. So they were called as alkaline earth metals. Okay, now we will see the third triad of Dobie-Reiner in the next class. Thank you.